Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I would like to tell you about an app which is Discord. Yes, you heard it right. So first download it on your phone and create an account and log into your account, and now I'm going to show you what is Discord and how to use it. So Discord is an app where you can connect with your friends and where you can study with your friends through live stream, or you can watch movies, or you can play games and live stream together so that your other members can see your game. So yeah, and on the second one is your friend list, and the third one is a search bar, and the fourth one is your notification bar, and the fifth one is your profile. So here is my all friends and here is my friend list, and on the search bar you can search for your friends or for your friends server. So, and the fourth one is your notification bar, and the fifth one is your profile. Here on your profile you can set status, or you can change your status, or you can customize your own status, and here you can see your account or you can see your profile. So yeah, this is Discord, and this is how you can use Discord. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video.